Everyone, I'm Anuja Shrivastava and today I'm just going to teach you about the superficial expansion in solid of class 8th physics. In previous video, I already teach you about the linear expansion and then after their coefficient of linear expansion. So today I'm just going to teach you about the superficial expansion in solids. That means, as I told you that in the previous video, that if two dimension heating will be there, two dimension expansion will be there, that is known as the superficial expansion, and this takes place in the solids. So again and then again there is no need to tell you that, because superficial expansion is only takes place in the solid. So let us define the term what is superficial expansion. The expansion in the area of thin sheet. What is this? Expansion in area of thin sheet is known as the superficial expansion. Due to heat is a must. Because of heat, there is no expansion will be takes place. So as in the previous video, I teach you that some basics are there on which this expansion takes place. Okay, that means nature, ऐसे कौन से क्राइटेरिया हैं, कौन से नेचर हैं जिनके ऊपर ये सुपरफिशियल एक्सपेंशन होता है. So it is must know the original area of the sheet. What first is original area of sheet, then nature of material of sheet, and whatever that rise in temperature. These all three things define how much expansion will be takes place. So the coefficient of superficial expansion is defined as the ratio of increase in area. So the definition is completely similar to the linear coefficient of linear expansion, but only you have to change the length to the area, because in linear expansion you were saying that the increase in the length per unit length, and here you can say the increase in area to its original area for every degree increase in temperature. That means जितना भी temperature increase होगा, suppose one sheet is there, okay, one sheet is there and the area of this sheet is A. Area of the sheet will be is A. When you are going to provide the heat, it is just going to expand, and whatever the expansion will be takes place, due to that expansion the area will be increased as delta A. So this delta A is the complete expansion. Okay, so when this A will be there, so here is some temperature which is known as our T1, and when we are going to increase the temperature, that is T2. That means temperature, initial temperature और final temperature में भी change हुआ. So if we are going to tell you that what is coefficient of superficial expansion, so coefficient of superficial expansion, if we are going to tell you, so just like the previous, increase in area which is divided by initial area and rise in temperature. That means coefficient of superficial expansion कैसे define होगा? Increase in area, whatever the increment takes place in the area divided by initial temperature and rise in temperature. So coefficient coefficient of linear expansion was denoted by alpha and coefficient of superficial expansion is denoted by beta, and you can say that beta is equal to delta A, that means the expansion in the area, divided by initial area into rise in temperature, that means delta T. Okay, so in this way you can tell about the equation. This is the equation which helps in the defining the some numericals. So beta is the coefficient of superficial expansion, delta A it is the increase in area, A it is the initial area, and delta T is the rise in temperature. Okay, and because it is two dimensional change, यहाँ two dimensional increment हो रहा है, that's why it is twice the coefficient of, ये दुगना होता है linear coefficient के. Okay, now let us see the other topic, that is the cubical expansion or volume expansion. Cubical and volume expansion in the solids. Okay, so as I told you that it is a 3-dimension expansion, 3 different dimension में expansion होगा. So how you can define this? When the solids have the definite shape and they are heated up, they are just going to increase in the all direction, just like their length, their breadth and their height. That means in तीनों ही साइड पे उनका एक्सपेंशन होगा. सो एक्सपेंशन ऑफ सॉलिड विथ डेफिनेट शेप ड्यू टू हीटिंग, एक्सपेंशन ऑफ सॉलिड विथ डेफिनेट शेप ड्यू टू हीटिंग इज नोन एज द क्यूबिकल एक्सपेंशन, क्योंकि कहाँ तीनों ही साइड में एक्सपेंशन हो रहा है, दैट इज नोन एज द क्यूबिकल एक्सपेंशन. ओके, नाउ इफ यू आर गोइंग टू that on what nature they are going to depend, on what criteria they are going to depend. So again it is depend on the same criteria, the original volume of the solid, whatever the original volume, then after original volume, then after temperature and nature of the material. These all things are required. Okay, so keep it in your mind, all these things: nature of the nature of the object, then after temperature, rise in temperature, and the material's nature. So let us see the same, how we can define the equation. So what is coefficient of volume expansion? So if we are going to define the coefficient of volume expansion, how you can define it? So coefficient of volume expansion, it is defined as the increase in volume, it is defined as increase in volume divided by initial volume, like previously, and rise in temperature. So please, no need to learn the definition, just try to understand the definition, because the definition and the their equation is similar. So coefficient of volume expansion, it is going to denoted by the gamma. So gamma is equal to what is given here, increase in volume, which is delta V. The increase in volume is delta V, which is going to divided by initial volume, which is V, and rise in temperature, that is delta V. Okay, so in this way, this is the equation for the coefficient of volume expansion. Okay, now the coefficient of volume expansion is 3 times more than the coefficient of linear expansion. Why? Because it is 3 dimension. ये क्यों हो रही है? Because it is 3 dimension. So let us see the relation between the alpha, beta and gamma. Relation between alpha, beta and gamma. So alpha is the linear expansion, beta is the superficial expansion, gamma is the cubical expansion. So first see, the beta is equal to 2 alpha, okay, and gamma it is equal to 3 alpha. Why this happened? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Because beta is 2 dimensional इंक्रीमेंट, 2 डायमेंशन एक्सपेंशन, तो अल्फा का डबल है, और गामा इज अ 3 डायमेंशनल एक्सपेंशन, सो इट इज ट्रिपल ऑफ अल्फा. So this is all about the today's topic. Rest of the topic I will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.